Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test out the pink stuff, and it will be used on these hiking shoes. I got this from the Goodwill outlet, never washed before, so a lot of dirt and grime on it. Um, so first of all, I'm going to just use a hand sanitizer wipe. I just didn't want any of the debris or dirt clogging up the tub or anything like that, so it just wipes it all off. I know it kind of interferes with the test of the pink stuff, but this is just like a caveat. But I will definitely put the pink stuff on other like kind of pressure tests to see how it works or how well it works. On the directions, it pretty much just says rub and then rinse out with hot water. I've noticed this is very similar to Barkeeper's Friend. It does leave a little bit of like white residue, but you can just wash it off. And I just have a toothbrush and some of this paste that I'm just going to apply on. And instantly you just see how white it gets. And I did not use much pressure at all. This stuff just kind of fell off. I'm not sure if it's the shoe that is kind of easy to wipe off or whatever, but it worked really nicely. I will say it works better on the plastic sides. For fabric, not so much, and I'll show a little bit later me just trying it on the fabric part of the shoe. It does not remove dirt easily for the fabric, but any plastic, it is fantastic. And that is just like warm water. I'm just gonna dunk it in. So you can see it did a phenomenal job. Like you can see a little bit of residue on the fabric part, but overall very clean. This is just me trying the fabric on the sole, and it did not work. It didn't really come, like none of this came out. So I think this is definitely more for plastics or any like hard surfaces. There's like a little bit of grit, probably like baking soda, fine mildewed powder in there, but I think it really helps like scrub. As you can see, the dirt's still there. And look at the bottom, how well it cleaned. My sister was thoroughly surprised as well. This is a really affordable product, cleaning product, like about $5 or so. So I highly recommend. And this was like little to no effort at all. And this is just showing all the grimy water going down the drain. This product was TikTok famous for a reason. It really does a fantastic job. Again, a little bit of residue, but you could just rinse that right out. I'm not sure what causes this, but Barkeeper's Friend does the same thing. And this is how much I used. Just a little dent. And for the shoes, I just put it near a vent and it dried in a few hours, so definitely recommend. 2 thumbs up.